Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see the easiest way to clear your RAM cache is to save your work and restart your system. So unnecessary data might slow down your system or freeze your machine. So it's better to clear your cache. So let's start. First we'll see how much cache you have in your RAM. So for that go to Task Manager and open it. Now here we have the performance option. Click on that, and in performance select the memory option, and in memory you can see the 6 GB cache you have in your RAM. So let's clear this. For that, just open the Chrome browser. There is one software or one uh, option to clear your cache. For that we need to download the RAM map. So open your browser and search for the RAM map. So it is just a secure software from the Microsoft itself. So you will get this first link from the Microsoft. Click on that, and now here the latest version is 1.61, and here you if you scroll down bit you will get the download option for the RAM map. So click on that and it will start downloading. It is just a 671 bit file, so it is an zip file. Just select this file and click on extract all, and select the path where you want to keep the file and click on extract. So once you extract you will get a 3 exe file. So from that we have to select the rammap.exe, the biggest file from it, that it is for 662 KB. So just open it, give the access to open. Now let's close all this folder. Here we have to click on the agree. So you will get this window. Now let's get the task manager window as well to see. So you can see here we have the 6.3 GB of RAM. So what we have to do in a roadmap, we have to select the empty and click on the empty standby list. So it will delete all the cache. You can see in cache we have just 292 or this much of MB cache file. So we have cleared the RAM. So this is the one way to clear your RAM.